Alright guys, welcome back to the Wednesday directions video. Still looking at the Rwandan genocide news article assignment. I'm going to click on the directions here. Ooh, nice. 2 people have already turned it in. So again, today's portion of it is you're actually going to write the news article. Yesterday, you kind of just spent the hour just researching, kind of looking at different articles, Wikipedia, YouTube, whatever it was that you looked at to kind of gather the information. And now today, you're going to write your 5 to 7 sentence news article summary, basically making sure to use as much detail as possible. Because again, you're the news writer, so you got to kind of paint the picture for your reader, right? So the more descriptive you can be, the more detail you can use, the better job it does of painting that picture. So try to include names, locations, dates, and statistics whenever possible, especially with the Rwandan genocide. And then you can use your last sentence or two to just kind of give your personal thoughts on the event. Tomorrow, we will start watching this documentary called The Ghost of Rwanda. It's pretty graphic. I'll just guys let you know ahead of time. So at any point during the video you don't want to watch it anymore, just let me know and I'll find an alternative assignment for you. Because it's a documentary, so it's like real footage of basically just horrible stuff happening to people. So it's kind of gruesome in some aspects and some parts. But that's for tomorrow, so let me know at some point tomorrow if you're not feeling it, and I'll find something else. But for today, just good luck working. Turn it in. Again, due tomorrow at 8:15. 20 points total because it's a 2-day assignment. 10 points for working yesterday, 10 points for working today. And again, if you want to, you can name your own newspaper on the top of your title, and you'll be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions. Just email me if you want to set up an individual Google Meet or an individual Zoom. We can do that to kind of talk more in detail or go over other assignments. But that's it, guys. Good luck, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.